scoreline.
seconds.
They will hope to get the job done to
Voilà.
Dilepo. Gilagazi. Ties by one. Looks to add a second to the mix here. A little low on confidence in front of goal. Will mean a mountain to climb for the men from the DRC. Gilagazi enjoying life right now after an impressive showing out at the Under-20 World Cup. He's back. He's active here in a starting berth in the Confederations Cup. Ball in and dangerous ball far side, something from the training grounds. And over towards the far post. The ball played in. There's a bit.
What am I so sick for? Kaizer Chiefs. Ayiphakamisela ibhola, yes! Ungakulabisi. Phakanyiswe kakuhle la bhola wafika uZitha Kwinika. Akayibetha ngenhloko mhlawumbe bebejonga uzayibetha ngenhloko kodwa wayibetha ngenyama.
In the cardiac knockout. Now space for Kaizer Chiefs on the far side. The block. Defensive. As Chiefs look for their third. Stadium. Quality once again. In the ball in from Villarreal. He's been up there. On court napping in watching the runners of the ball. Speaking of runners, there's Solomon's.
Chiefs emva kwalona umdlalo bangaba izinto zisahamba ngolhlobo eyobungozi kwicabanga lasekhohlo apho kukho khona uClaude Liepho yasikwa kwakhona la bhola yabekwa phambili iGodari akazukufika bazobibala ngoku bazobibala ibhola enhle akazukufika uLiepho phezu kwalapho.
Space on the far side, lovely vision, lovely ball. Gilagazi, good movement off the ball here from Solomons. But it's Igodaro that's got a long start to the brace for Gilagazi, the man in your picnic.
Esithi andiboni mntu hlaba kahle Deki wena ubhola phansi baye bakhabela ngasesipalini isihlandlo zathi zasithathu bezama Solomons yabuya kwakhona ibhola enyehlwa kahle ngoku iKaizer Chiefs edibana noVilakazi amthatha akakhuphi nalinye ikhadi uSompempe othi umdlalo osame kuhle Sompempe besekhalile esithi ayikhona abeyibethile uVilakazi abeyibethelisa phakanyisiwe le-set piece phezu kwe-crossbar esikelisi usovile bathi sesifaka